In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between different date styles and create a format that matches your preference or reporting standards. Start by opening your spreadsheet and clicking a cell that already contains a date. If you want to change the format for multiple dates at once, select a range, an entire column, or even the whole sheet before moving on. The format you choose will apply only to the cells you've selected, so it's worth highlighting everything you want to update in one go. Now, head up to the top menu and open the Format menu. From there, go to Number. This is where Google Sheets keeps all of its numeric and date options. In the submenu, choose Custom Date and Time to open the formatting dialog. You'll see a list of presets you can use right away. Pick one that fits your needs, whether that's something compact like month, day, year, a more readable style like month, name, day, year, or a format that includes time. As you click different presets, notice the live preview so you can confirm how your selection will appear in the cell. If none of the presets are quite right, you can build your own format at the top of the dialog. Add components like day, month, and year, and adjust how each one displays. For example, you can switch between numbers and names for months, choose abbreviated or full month names, show years with 2 or 4 digits, and decide whether days and months should have leading zeros. If your data includes time, you can add hours, minutes, and seconds, and choose 12-hour or 24-hour time with or without AM/PM. You can also insert separators such as slashes, dashes, or commas to match your preferred style. Keep an eye on the preview to make sure the result looks exactly right. When you're happy with the preset or custom layout, click Apply. Your selected cells will immediately update to the new display. Remember, you're only changing how the date looks, not the underlying value, so formulas and sorting will continue to work correctly. If a cell doesn't change, it may be stored as plain text rather than a true date. Re-entering the value as a recognized date usually resolves that, and then your chosen format will apply. That's it. Select the cells, go to Format, Number, Custom Date, and Time, choose a preset or build your own, and apply. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, consistent dates across your sheets.